Madam, please, what's your name? Felicia who? Huh? Please, volume, please. From where? From where? From Kenya.
Yes.
So you are the fake agent that has been duping your people. Huh? You collect money from your people.
A very huge amount of money. How
Like-
much
like-
do you collect?
How much have you been collecting from them? Please speak up. Don't lie, yo. Don't
I'm a thief.
say. Anna, please,
I'm a
please.
scammer.
You're the scammer, right? Madam, please, what's your name? Felicia who?
Gaya.
Huh?
Gaya.
Please, volume, please.
From
From where? From where?
Kenya.
From Kenya. So you are the fake agent that has been duping your people. Huh? You collect money from your people.
A very huge amount of money. How
Like-
much
like-
do you collect?
How much have you been collecting from them? Please speak up. Don't lie, yo. Don't lie. Don't lie. You know what will happen.
How
Huh?
much?
3,000, 4,000.
Okay.
3,000, 4,000,
Okay.
5,000.
For ticket, visa.
Okay.
What of for what?
1,000. Okay. Let's just say that you have been collecting like 6,000 or 5,000 dirham from your people. About more than 10 people, you have collected their money. You will not give them job. You will pack them in one place. Huh? So this is what you people do in this country, in Dubai.
Calling the name of Africa.
Huh? So you guys are the ones killing Africans. You guys are the ones spoiling our name in this country. Huh? Madam, your own has finished, I swear. Matibaye, your own,
If you don't bring this, I will use my
your own don't finish. Do you understand? After today, if you see any fake agent, tell the person to run. Because people like us are coming.
Yeah, we'll post her everywhere.
Madam Felicia from Kenya, right? Huh?
Yes.
You are a thief. Sure you know? Huh?
Yes.
Madam, repeat after me. Say you are a thief. Say I'm a thief. Huh?
Thief.
What?